Hey everyone! Are you tired of your website playing hide and seek with Google? Well, it's time to squirrel-proof your SEO game with Squirrly SEO. Today we're diving deep into the Squirrly SEO lifetime deal, a game changer in the SEO world. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this deal is something you will want to take advantage of. Let's explore how Squirrly SEO can transform your website's SEO game. What is Squirrly SEO? Ever wished for an AI-powered SEO wizard? Meet Squirrly SEO! It's here to banish SEO guesswork for good, making your website a search engine superstar. Imagine having an AI that's analyzed data from 600,000 high-ranking websites, guiding you with high-priority goals and step-by-step instructions. That's Squirrly SEO for you. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. Squirrly SEO's original list price might go as high as $864, but due to AppSumo, you can purchase it only for $69. Also, keep in mind that this is a one-time payment. Let's now examine the characteristics of this exclusive offer. AppSumo offers 3 tiers for Squirrly SEO. License Tier 1 Single. Available as a one-time purchase of $69, originally valued at $864. This package includes 5 sites, 25 focus pages accounts, 10 per site, 300 keyword searches per month, 300 audit suite pages per month, 15,000 new keyword ideas per month, 15,000 deep keyword searches per month. License Tier 2, Double. Available for a one-time purchase of $138, originally valued at $2,940. This package offers 10 sites, 50 focus pages accounts, 10 per site, 600 keyword searches per month, 600 audit suite pages per month, 30,000 new keyword ideas per month, 30,000 deep keyword searches per month. License Tier 3, Multiple. Available for a one-time purchase of $207, down from its original value of $4,320. This package includes all the features from Tier 2, unlimited sites, 100 focus pages accounts, 10 per site, 900 keyword searches per month, 900 audit suite pages per month, 45,000 new keyword ideas per month, 45,000 deep keyword searches per month. You can choose the tier that best fits your needs. Remember, all these features are included in all plans. For more details on this AppSumo offer, check out the link in the description. This is a limited time offer and the pricing will increase soon. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to ensure it's the right fit for you. 6 most essential features of Squirrly SEO. With Squirrly SEO, you get AI guidance, personalized to-do lists and step-by-step SEO instructions powered by artificial intelligence. Keyword research tool. Discover high-potential keywords with detailed search volume data and competition analysis. SEO Live Assistant. Real-time feedback on content optimization directly within the Wordpress editor. Performance tracking. Comprehensive SEO audits, performance scores, and actionable insights for website improvement. Easy integration. Seamless compatibility with popular platforms like WordPress, Woocommerce, and more. Custom Branding Web Dev Kit. Personalize your SEO tools and reports, enhancing your brand's professional appeal. And so much more. So why wait? Grab the AppSumo deal that offers a 92% discount and gives you the much-needed tool only for $69. Who benefits from Squirrly SEO? Bloggers, marketers, small businesses, SEO agencies, content creators. If you fit the bill or know someone who does, it's time to elevate your SEO game with Squirrly SEO. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Got your eyes on the Squirrly SEO lifetime deal on AppSumo? Here's some spicy news for you. Extra 10% off alert. On top of the amazing $69 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. That's right, savings on top of savings. How to grab this deal? Visit AppSumo's Squirrly SEO lifetime deal offer. Wait for the discount pop-up. Enter your email address. Use the same email to make the purchase. Check your email for the 10% off promotion. Reviews that Squirrly SEO lifetime deal on AppSumo get. What people love about Squirrly SEO lifetime deal on AppSumo? Are you curious about what real users are saying about Squirrly SEO? Look into some genuine reviews and see the magic through their eyes. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out! Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Are you prepared to up the SEO game on your website? Explore the Squirrly SEO worlds. Examine the features, read the description, and seize the lifetime offer before it is gone. If you found this review helpful and want more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.